Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into something that sounds so simple, but is actually incredibly powerful. How to make sense of massive amounts of data by, well, actually being able to see it.
So let's just kick things off with a big question. I want you to think about public health for a second. We are talking about an absolute storm of data, right? Everything from hospital admissions, vaccination rates, local infection numbers. It's just a huge swirling mess. It can be totally overwhelming. So how on earth do you find the real story, the important signal in all of that noise?
Well, that's exactly what we're here to talk about. The whole goal is to tame that data storm, to take what looks like pure chaos and turn it into crystal clear insights. And the main tool we use to do that, it's called a dashboard. You know, the best way to think about this is like the dashboard in your car. It doesn't show you every single tiny thing happening inside the engine, right? Of course not. It shows you the most critical information, your speed, your fuel, maybe a warning light, all in one easy-to-read place. That way, you can make quick, smart decisions. A public health dashboard? It does exactly the same thing.
Okay, but to build these incredible displays, you can't just wish them into existence. You need the right digital toolkit. So let's take a quick look at some of the tools that power these visuals.
First up, you've probably heard of this one, Power BI. This is Microsoft's heavy hitter in the business analytics world. It's known for being super versatile because it can connect to just a ton of different data sources and let you build some really detailed interactive reports.
Next, we have Tableau. This thing is an absolute giant in the data visualization space. It's famous for its super user-friendly drag-and-drop interface that helps pretty much anyone see and understand their data through these really beautiful and interactive charts.
And of course, Google's in the game with Looker Studio. Its huge advantage is how seamlessly it plugs into other Google products, like Google Sheets and Analytics. That makes it fantastic for creating informative reports that are super easy to share with your team.
And for those who need to get really specific and customized, there's Dash from a company called Plotly. Now this goes way beyond a simple dashboard. It lets developers build entire analytical web applications from scratch. It's incredibly powerful for those really specialized code-driven projects.
All right, so we've got the tools. But the big question is, how are they actually being put to work? This brings us to the most important part of our whole conversation, seeing this data in action, and how a bunch of numbers can have a massive real-world impact. This is really where the rubber meets the road. I want you to imagine a new flu strain just appeared. With a good dashboard, public health officials can do real-time disease surveillance. They can literally see hotspots popping up on a map, track how fast it's spreading, and keep a close eye on hospital capacity. It helps them analyze health equity too. Are certain communities getting hit harder than others? And all of that data guides their big policy decisions, like, hey, where should we set up new testing sites? It's all about making smart choices and making them fast.
And this slide just perfectly sums up the revolution we're talking about. Think about it. Before, you might get a paper report weeks after the data was collected. It was slow, it was static. By the time you even read it, the situation on the ground had totally changed. Now you've got fast, real-time, interactive data right at your fingertips. You can click, you can filter, you can explore. It's a fundamental game changer in how critical decisions get made. So the core benefits here are just huge. You've got that real-time monitoring we just talked about. You get a way to clearly communicate incredibly complex information to policymakers, to the public, to anyone who needs to know. And that naturally leads to increased transparency, because now everyone can see the data, and with that transparency comes enhanced accountability for the decisions that are being made.
All right, so we know why dashboards are so important. Now let's pop the hood open and take a look at the anatomy of what makes a really effective dashboard.
I love this way of thinking about dashboards because it's just so intuitive. First up, you've got your operational dashboards. These are all about what's happening right now, today, tracking daily patient numbers. Then you've got your analytical dashboards. These help you understand trends over a longer period, like this year, to see patterns you might have missed. And finally, you have strategic dashboards. These are all about the future, monitoring your progress towards those big long-term goals.
Now, every great dashboard, no matter what kind it is, shares a few essential parts. First, you've got to have key performance indicators, or KPIs. We'll touch on those again in just a second. You absolutely need interactive filters so you can slice and dice the data. The layout and the charts have to be unbelievably clear. And finally, you need contextual annotations. Those are just little notes that explain what the data actually means. They're so crucial for understanding.
So remember I just mentioned KPIs? What even is that? Well, it's a single, crucial number that tells you how you're doing at a glance. For instance, this 7.2%, it could represent the current infection rate in a specific community. It's like a vital sign for public health, a single number that everyone knows they need to be watching constantly.
Look, if you only remember one single thing from this entire explainer, please let it be this. The whole point, the entire purpose of a dashboard, is to transform messy, raw data into clear, actionable insight. It's about that journey from just having numbers on a page to making decisions that can literally save lives.
And that brings me to a final thought for you. If you had the power and the tools to build just one dashboard for your own community, what's the one problem, the single most important issue that you would want it to solve? Really think about that.
Hey, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you found this useful, do me a favor and hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. It really helps us out. You can also find the audio version of these explainers on your favorite podcast platform. The link for that is down in the description. We love hearing from you, so let us know what topics you want us to tackle next. See you next time.